Hey, man, we got a capacitor here for any style charger. And I'm gonna show you how to test it. Look at the capacitor. You can see there you got the 20 UF. And you have the 10% above it, which is 22, and the 5% below it, which would be 19. So anywhere from 19 to 22 UF on your voltmeter, that means it is good, within specs. So it should be 20 UF. Now what you want to do, the first sign of a capacitor is when you plug the charger in, the charger comes on, it just hums, but it doesn't work. So what you want to do is turn your voltmeter. You want to turn the UF, or right here, resistance, diode, and all that. And then you want to keep hitting your select button, which is your range, until you see right there the UF signal. All right. And then whatever size it is, if it's a 20 or 30 or 40, whichever, that's what you want to see here. So let's see what it shows there. You want to take the red, put it on one side, and the black, put it on one side. You can put the red and black. See there you have 21.67. This should be 20 plus 10 to 5%. So 10% of that's 22, anywhere from 21 to 22 on the higher side, 19 to 20 on the low side. You can see here, 20.6, which is perfect. Now if you got one and it's reading 15, 12, or something like that, then that means the capacitor is going bad. You'll notice that your needle won't go up as high, or you'll notice you'll start having problems. But you can see there, this capacitor shows good. All right, remember, that's it, man. I just want to show you that, man, how to read it. Look on there for UF 20. Now, you can buy these from your refrigerator place, anybody that works on locally, refrigerator shop, anything that has them. As long as the main thing that matters is the 20 UF and the volts AC. Two things that matter. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. If you got another problem besides the capacitor, on my page I have videos on how to troubleshoot the whole charger. If you need something like that, go to my page and type in Golf Cart Whisperer charger repair, and you'll find them. All right, man, you see it there. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Watch another video. Hey.